Jude.
Come on in.
Okay.
Welcome to Mikasa. Proof the dough.
Proof the dough. What's that?
Proof is taking it out of the refrigerator and letting it sit out under a warm towel. I only have paper towels.
You do that overnight?
You do it for about an hour to bring the dough to room temperature. You never want to cook cold dough. That's like sacrilegious. This dough was delivered from California. It was more for the shipping than it was for the dough. Worth it. You're only as good as your ingredients. Want a beer?
Yeah, I would love a beer.
It's 11 o'clock on what is it, Thursday? No.
Hey Jude, you're from the western suburbs, aren't you?
Yes, I am.
Which one?
Woodridge, Illinois, baby.
Hey, I'm from Wheaton, did you know that?
Oh, I did not know that.
Yeah.
The longer the better. In an ideal world, you would wait 48 hours before you take this dough out of the fridge to start to use it. But being I was drunk last night and used up all the dough I had pre-made to make pizza, I didn't have any dough left, so I made some dough last night. So it's only about 13 hours. Not bad. But the longer it sits, the more time the yeast has time to do its work and eat the sugars, and it kind of makes it a more digestible.
Digestible, yeah, I was going to say
the
digestible.
gluten is more digestible. This flour came from California from Tony Gemignani. Shout out to Tony Gemignani. Thank you for everything you do.
Tony, thank you for taking care of that thing for me.
Yeah.
It's like the same color as the dough.
Yeah. It's just fresh.
So you're just throwing it on there, huh?
Yeah.
That's fine.
We got kosher salt. It's easier. It's more coarse. Pinch it. Opposed to iodized salt. It's a little bit thinner. That's good to go. I'm gonna save that last little bit of cheese.
It's not done, right?
Preheat.
Oh, you've preheated it? But you already put the pizza in.
I'm gonna fuck you up. There you go.
You ever been in a fight?
Yes.
You can put the basil on and then put it back in, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Cooking with mathien, but really, this has been cooking with Jude Shuma. Let's call it what it is. I didn't do much.
There you go. The flight attendant left the ground, came up, hit the ceiling, and then came down and hit her head on the cart. She had to get taken out on a stretcher. People's drinks went everywhere, and they were screaming.
I was on a flight like that where everyone was screaming.
How do you need me to do this right now? This, some chicks go under it. Alright guys, we're here.